Happy Youth Work Week to you all. To the many hundreds of youth work practitioners engaging with tens of thousands of young people every day across Wales, I'd like to say a big thank you. This year's Youth Work Week focuses on wellbeing in celebration of the contribution made by the sector to support the mental health and well-being of our young people. I've been amazed by the diversity of projects right across Wales and the myriad ways in which they support young people, from work in schools, within housing and health settings, and increasingly, of course, online. I also recently had the pleasure of visiting Canolfan Mardi in the Amman Valley and saw at first hand the importance of open access youth work provision in ensuring our young people remain connected and engaged. And this approach can have such a profound impact on young people's well-being, building their resilience and confidence to make effective choices. This week is a chance to celebrate all that youth work encompasses and the people that make it happen. I look forward to continuing to work together to build a world-class youth work service that supports our ambition to set high standards for all our young people. Thank you all for all that you do, and enjoy the week.